Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create winning Amazon ads with Amazon's AI Creative Studio. This is super easy to use, super powerful, and we're going to jump right into it. The AI Creative Studio is a direct path to winning Amazon ads, and I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way in this video. And this is built into your Amazon ads account. That's the best part about this. And we'll go over the shoulder step by step in a little bit. But the idea here is that most sellers don't have a traffic problem for their Amazon products. They have a creative problem. And this is really when you see ads and paid ads specifically plateauing when your creative stops working, right? It's just a natural part of paid ads. You're not doing anything wrong. It's just the natural progression of your ad. Eventually, the ad creative will stop working. You'll see it slow down. The performance will get worse, and eventually it won't be making as much money as it was at its peak. And a really popular strategy for Amazon sellers is to use Amazon Ads AI Creative Studio to generate tons and tons of high converting creative for your products. It's super easy to use. It's really, you don't need any technical skill. You don't need to be an editor or anything like that. It's a really great tool that is part of your Amazon Ads account. And there are definitely some pain points when it comes to creating videos, especially for your Amazon ads. Typically what's going to happen is, you as an Amazon seller, you're going to launch your ad and you're going to pick one video. Maybe you'll pick one image, or, maybe even you just select your product photo, and you'll never touch it again. And if you have any experience in paid ads, that just is unrealistic for success. We know that we need to have a structured testing system. We know we need to analyze the data, and we need to cut the winners and scale the losers. It's not just kind of a set it and forget it thing. And when you do it this way, you're not really running ads. You're just kind of running a single idea and crossing your fingers, hoping that it works. And like I said, it's just unrealistic that it's going to work at all, potentially, and definitely not going to work forever. So what's the strategy here? Well, the strategy when you have AI Creative Studio is to just simply create tons and tons of different variations, right? With this one powerful tool, winning sellers are constantly creating ad variations, different creatives, and there's lots of different layers that you can play with, lots of different ways to create these different variations inside of AI Creative Studio. Layer number one, angle testing, right? This is where you have the same product, but you have a different message, maybe a different hook, maybe a different call to action, right? Some other type of angle to connect the product to the customer. Very easy to do in AI Creative Studio, literally just a couple of clicks, and you'd be able to do something like that. Layer two, format variation. This is easy. Videos, imagery, different formatted videos, different style videos, right? All these different formats that are possible inside of Amazon ads. You want to, of course, create variations for those. And then I think the most direct one, visual variations, literally different style creatives, right? UGC style video, production style video, boutique style video, catalog product image, lifestyle product image, all these different ways to kind of visually represent and promote your product. They need to be tested, right? How do you know which one is going to give you the highest click-through rate or the highest profit? Well, we'll never know until we run them. And, the typical old way to do it, all those pain points, right? You'd have to basically create all of these different ads, and, most sellers just create one. Right, what we want to do is create tons and tons of ads, and we're going to be able to do that with the AI Creative Studio. And we're going to go over the shoulder. You see the link directly below this video. Really, the best part about this, it's fully built in to your Amazon Ads account. You just get access to it when you click on the link, as long as you're selling on Amazon. And we'll go over the shoulder. You see the Amazon AI Creative Studio right over here. And all you need to do is just log in with your Amazon account, and you'll be able to get started with the creation tool that really creates so many high quality variations for your Amazon ads. So you see Meet Creative Agent, right? This is a little chat interface, and it's super easy to use, something like ChatGPT, right? We're literally just going to tell the AI Creative Studio here on Amazon exactly what we want. And there are some kind of pre-built templates over here. Create a video ad, quick start an ASIN video ad, create an audio ad, image ad, or you see all the different variations over here. Brainstorm concepts for a new campaign, transform existing images, create a video from existing images. This one's really powerful if you have some good product imagery that you want to turn into video. You could remix an existing video. You could, of course, create those image variations, which lets you very easily get different images for your testing. And you can click over here and learn more about what the agent can do, and image generator, inspiration gallery. It's all on this page, and you can watch the video to kind of understand exactly how it works. But we're going to run through it, and really it's as simple as just kind of clicking a button here and letting the agent kind of prompt us through the entire process here to get a great variation or set of variations for our video ads. And you see the chat agent over here is literally just asking us, specifically some, individual questions, but just broadly, what product or brand do we want to focus this campaign on, right? And we could literally just put in our Amazon product or our ASIN right over here into the chat. So I'm going to do this Bedshore cat bed product, and I got the ASIN over here. So we'll put the ASIN over here. It's also asking for brand name or URL. I'll just put in the entire URL over here as well. And we want to give the agent as much information as possible. We're going to put video ad placement will be sponsored brands. And that's going to be your typical placement. You could choose other placements as well. And campaign objective, we'll do consideration. We want to get people over to our products. We could upload existing images, but there are plenty to use right on the product page. Target audience, we can put over here, target audience, cat owners, key messages, preferred video tone. We're going to go ahead and let the agent take care of all that themselves. So we'll submit this information over here into our agent, and you're going to see it's going to start gathering all the information. Of course, it understands the ASIN and the Amazon product link. It's able to grab all of the different information and, kind of imagery, branding details, right? You see you have some really great imagery on this product page as well. So it's going to be taking this all into consideration. It's going to get the product details, and it's going to understand, what type of angle will work for this product, what type of hook and style should be associated with this video. And this allows us to get us started in our testing framework. There are lots of different layers that I told you about, those 3 layers that allow us to do different variations. We're going to try one right here with AI Creative Studio. Okay, so it says update 69 of 69 imported. These are the different assets that were imported from the product page, and it's doing brand and product research over here, and it's created the creative brief. So it shows us the brand, of course, the product with the ASIN. The ad placement, we're going to be doing a sponsored brands video on Amazon ads. Consideration as the objective. Target audience. Existing assets. They grabbed all of the different imagery, including the lifestyle shots with cats, which are super important, from the product page. Now over here, key messages, asking us what we should basically focus on. And it's going to say, what key benefits would you like to highlight in this video, and what tone? We'll say various benefits. Pick the ones that seem the best, and overall tone is trustworthy and safe. So plug that back into the AI Creative Studio agent. It's going to take that into consideration and move us into the next step. The agent responds super quickly, talks about the key benefits over here, and now goes ahead and gives us creative concepts. Safe haven, the cat's choice, right? Talking about the proof of how many other customers there were here, comfort meets convenience, and it's asking us which of the 3 concepts resonates the most with us. And I'm going to come over here and actually do number 2, because I think it's really great that, it shows that so many other cats enjoy this product, so it's very trustworthy, it's safe. So I'm going to plug that in to the agent. It's going to take that and bring us into the next step. Okay, and now it says perfect choice, creates a storyboard for us. So you see that it's going to do all the work for us, but still give us full control over everything, right? We see scene 1 opening hook, and it's going to talk about 319,000 sellouts and cozy hideaway, top lounging area, quality and safety, and literally says, would you like us to begin creating this? If we didn't like some part or we wanted to edit something, of course we could say, maybe remove scene 5 or, edit whatever, but I actually like how it is. I'm going to say yes, go ahead. So next step coming up. Okay, this part's really cool. You see the different scenes have now been created storyboard style, and you can take a look at the different variations to kind of see which ones look best based on your point of view. And literally you can just click through, and I like this one over here. And same thing as we showcase the different options for the different scenes, and we'll go with all the other default options. But you could literally make changes over here. You could say edit. You could reply specifically to this image to make changes about it. And you see it's showing the detail directly from the product images over here. So it's really, really powerful to grab all that. Go with this one over here. So we have our end card over here with a little bit of call to action, and it's going to say the cat's choice. I like how they've kind of created that. Of course, you could edit this if you have some type of existing call to action or you want to test a specific call to action. You could have that added right there. We're going to say go ahead without logo, and it's going to go ahead and actually finalize everything to start producing the video. Okay, each scene is now animated over here. We have each one individually, and we could play through here. You see the cats moving directly inside of the box, give you different variations that you could take a look at as well. Click through here and see some different variations. See, all the different scenes are based on the different storyboard images. See this really cool animation one that we created over here, and this happy cats one over here, really enjoying the product. Of course, we've got the bestseller hook at the beginning with some nice strong animation, and our closing as well right over here where we have the cat's choice and available at Amazon. Nice little animation on this as well. So we have all the different scenes. All that's left to do is kind of put everything together. It asks if we want to add music. I'll say no music in this case. And by the way, that's another layer that you can test. Music or not, voiceover or not, right? Just another variation that you'll be able to create inside of AI Creative Studio. So we're going to now have no music in here. All the animation is complete. What we need to do is basically combine everything here into our video optimized for sponsored brands specific sizing. That's 16 by 9, the 1920 by 1080 sizing. It's going to create that for us automatically, and we are ready to use the video. So this is kind of the step here where they start to process and eventually export that final video, and I'll show you when it's done. And the Cat's Choice BedSure Foldable Cat Cube product video is now ready to go. Here's a bigger version of it over here. You see it's literally based on the exact clips that we had created inside the storyboard. We had full access to edit everything. You see here's that really cool animation at the end. And of course, we also have our closing scenes. We have the happy cat scenes. We have the call to action. That will be another layer for us to test. But you see the Cat's Choice available at Amazon. Really, really powerful here. This video only took us just kind of chatting with a chat agent, copy and pasting a link in the ASIN, and it's literally that powerful. And imagine editing the hook or editing the call to action. That creates another variation for you to test. And that's the winning strategy for getting your Amazon ads to really perform consistently for a long time. So this one is ready to go and ready to launch. And all you need to do is literally reproduce this with your own product or products, create those different variations, those different styles, those different moods, and it does all the work for you. So that was Amazon Ads AI Creative Studio. You see how this is the perfect tool that complements this strategy of creating these different variations based on different layers. And it's a really, really powerful, proven, profitable strategy that you need to implement with your Amazon business today. You see just how easy it was to create these videos, and there's no tech skills required at all. All you need to do is just chat with the agent. So you see the link directly below this video. It's highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope the AI Creative Studio helps you make some really, really amazing, high-converting ads and helps you keep pumping out those ad variations that are going to keep your winning ads consistently winning for the long term. If you have any other questions, again, drop a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.